Now we're going to go over how to use the planer. The planer is used to smooth the faces of rough cut lumber and also to reduce the thickness of your lumber. The first thing you want to do when using the planer is inspect your board and make sure that there are no foreign objects in it. After you've decided that the board is clean, your next step is to take a measurement of the thickness of your board. If you can see that there is visibly one section that is thicker than the rest, that is the part that you want to measure. Otherwise, always check a couple of spots. And I can see that this is an especially thick spot here, and that is about 1 1/8 inches. So I'm going to set the planer for 1 1/8 inches thick. This hand wheel adjusts the thickness of the planer or the height of the table. When you crank it, you want to make sure that you are paying attention to the scale over here to the left of the table. And be sure while you're adjusting the table height that you're using the standard side in inches, which is on the right. If you are measuring in inches, don't use the centimeter side. After you have it set to your desired thickness, turn on both of the buttons. There is one for the cutter and one for the feed. Stand off to the side of the board. Let the planer grab a hold of it. Push button turns the planer off. Make sure that you don't walk away from the planer until it is done spinning. When you're finished, close the air duct. To be sure that you are finished with your planer, make sure that you know what you are doing with your board first. If all you're doing is smoothing out two faces, only smooth out two faces. Don't take it thinner than you need to. If you have a desired thickness, continue to do what I was doing here, one turn in between each pass until you reach that thickness.